Welcome to all in continuation of techniques of plant in vitro cultures. Today we will see shoot tip culture and meristem tip culture. Shoot tips. The apical bud of the plant consists of apical meristem and two or more primordial leaves, and portion of stem is called shoot tip. The term shoot tip often interchanged with meristem. In general, shoot tip includes meristem, primordial leaves and additional leaf buds and stem. So, meristem is small portion of a shoot tip, whereas meristem refers apical dome of the whole plant with only two primary leaves. Shoot tip consists of vasculature system in bottom portion of the explant, whereas meristem tip totally devoid of any vasculature systems. Let us see further difference between shoot tip and meristem. The term shoot tip often interchanged with the meristem, as we discussed already. In general, the shoot tip includes meristem and the size of the shoot tip is larger than the meristem. The size of the shoot tip generally ranges from 0.1 to 1.0 millimeter, whereas meristem size ranges from 0.05 to 0.1 millimeter. The meristem is devoid of vasculature system and it is devoid of permanently differentiated tissues and it is devoid of elongation region. Both meristem tip and shoot tip contain rapidly dividing meristem with one or more primordia. So, plant tissue culture methods with shoot tip. In general, shoot tip culture protocol is quite similar to nodal explant culture, whereas meristem tip culture is quite specialized and it is used for elimination of pathogens such as virus-free plants. In general, a dissection microscope under aseptic condition is required for meristem isolation, as well as additional skill is required for explant isolation, processing and inoculation of meristem culture. The scientist Holmes in 1948 tried to obtain virus-free plant from infected individuals of Dahlia through shoot tip culture. In 1952, the scientists Merrill and Martin recovered virus-free dahlia and potato through meristem culture, and in 1975, Henry and co-workers established a technique for obtaining virus-free sugarcane, citrus, potato and cassava. So, even though meristems are capable to eliminate virus, there are another small molecules called viroids, which are RNA without protein code. Thus, they are known as naked RNA and are very difficult to eradicate through meristem tip culture. Now, let us see the pictorial difference between shoot tip and meristem. The left side shows the meristem explant. It has meristem primordia, then it has epidermis and it has vascular bundles in the bottom, and in the bottom region have permanent tissues and middle region have elongation region as well as differentiation region, and in the top meristem portion have rapidly cell dividing region. Whereas in the case of meristem, it consists only the meristem as well as two or one primordial leaves. So the meristem is a localized group of actively collecting and dividing cells from which permanent tissue systems such as root, shoot, leaf and flower will be derived in later stages of development and growth. The shoot tip culture mostly used explant along with nodal explants for micropropagation. In general, the explants are rinsed with tap water followed by surface sterilized with chemical agents such as sodium hypochlorite and repeated washing with sterile water for 4 or 5 times. The sterilized explant of nodal tip explants mostly inoculated in a cytokine rich medium in the beginning for shoot organogenesis, and after shoot establishment and shoot proliferation, they are transferred into rooting medium consisting of more amount of auxin. Then rooting will be produced and whole plant will be developed. The in vitro derived plants then subject to hardening to achieve complete plantlets for field sowing or greenhouse sowing. The another term often comes along with the shoot tip culture is shoot tip grafting or micrografting. The shoot tip grafting or micrografting refers shoot tips of 0.14 to 0.18 millimeter length tips isolated aseptically. Generally, the plants grow in vitro and these shoot tips are isolated aseptically and graft into young etiolated rootstock seedlings and grown in vitro condition. In general, grafting is widely used for propagation of horticulture crops to overcome rooting problems. So this kind of shoot tip grafting is helpful to eliminate virus and it is successfully obtained in citrus and prunus species. To perform in vitro grafting in citrus, the embryo is in vitro germinated for 2 weeks, then the shoot tip is excised and used as a scion and grafted over a rootstock and get the shoot tip grafting plant. Thank you.